to create dependencies in Smartsheet so you can automatically connect tasks, manage project timelines, and keep your schedule updated as changes occur. Dependencies help Smartsheet understand how tasks relate to each other, making project management much easier. Start by opening your project sheet and make sure you already have start date and end date columns set up. Once your project data is ready, right-click any column header and select Project Settings. Inside the Project Settings window, locate the Dependencies option and enable it. When you turn dependencies on, Smartsheet automatically adds a predecessors column and a duration column to your sheet. These columns are essential for creating task relationships. Next, go to the predecessors column for the task you want to link. Enter the row number of the task that must be completed first. For example, if task 2 cannot begin until task 1 is finished, enter 1 in task 2's predecessor cell. You can also choose different dependency types. The most common is finish to start, where one task starts only after the previous task finishes. Smartsheet also supports start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish relationships for more advanced scheduling. If needed, add a lag time to create a delay between tasks. For example, entering a 1-day lag will cause the dependent task to start 1 day after its predecessor is completed. Once your dependencies are set, Smartsheet automatically updates task dates whenever a predecessor changes. This keeps your entire project schedule synchronized and reduces the need for manual updates. You can switch to Gantt view to see dependency lines connecting tasks visually, making it easier to understand how your project flows from start to finish. That's how to create dependencies in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.